All right, guys, I'm back. Let's get caught up on where we left off and where I've been. Sorry. Thank you guys for the continued support. Everyone who keeps watching my videos is great. All right, so 2 years ago, I moved states. My wife was pregnant at the time. My first son was born, so I have a stepson, and then my first son was born. He was born up here in Maryland, and we were living at my parents' house at the time, waiting for the house in Tennessee to sell. House Tennessee finally sold. We bought this house, moved into this house. Wife got pregnant again. We had to make some changes to the house. That also put things on the back burner. This garage that I'm standing in was an absolute disaster. There was no space in it whatsoever because we were just kind of trying to get things back into position. So thanks again for sticking in there and allowing me to still have my shitty videos continue to run around the internet for as long as they did. Since then, YouTube has allowed monetization on my channel, so now I do collect ad revenue. So far, my net worth is like $2, so it's a start. It's, you know, where we're going to begin. So with that being said, I have been getting time to get my garage cleaned up. I did throw a few posts out on GoPed Nation showing off this GSR 25 that I picked up, and I picked up recently another GoPed Sport. That's going to be for the 7-year-old to build, so that might not get a lot of attention on YouTube because me and him are going to try to work on that together. But yeah, so I'm back. Thanks again for your guys' support. I did take a video on this already. I need to edit that and upload it. I'm going to upload this one first because I'm hoping that I can sell this in one take and not have to edit it and not have to cut anything out of it, because I'm not going to lie to you. I'm looking at my memory card right now, and this is probably the 15th time I've tried to talk through this thing and say, hey, thank you guys for the support. But anyway, I'm going to keep it short. We are going to be doing GoPeds again. I have a bunch. And yeah, so stay tuned, and I will see you guys again here soon. Hopefully within a couple of weeks, I'll have an actual GoPed video edited and put back out on my channel. And yeah, so thanks guys, and I'll see you guys soon.